Most people think market analysis is complicated, something that requires weeks of research, expensive reports, or a full team. But here's the truth. You can analyze any market in just 30 minutes if you follow the right framework. Whether you're a junior marketer, a business owner, or someone launching the first idea, this simple method will help you understand who you're selling to, what they want, and how your brand can win. Today, I'll show you the exact 5-step market analysis framework I've used for real product launches across FMCG, beauty, tech, education, even real estate, all compressed into something you can do in half an hour. Let's get started. Step 1. Define the market in one sentence. Most beginners make the same mistake. They try to analyze everything, but real marketers start with a clear definition. Ask yourself, what market am I actually in? Because markets aren't defined by products, they're defined by consumer jobs to be done. Examples: you're not in the coffee market, you're in the energy and ritual market, you're not in the skincare market, you're in the confidence and self-image market, you're not in the fitness app market, you're in the transformation and habit building market. So define your market in one sentence. We are competing for people who want blah, blah, blah. The clearer that sentence is, the easier every next step becomes. This takes 2 minutes. Step 2. Identify the core consumer need. In this step, don't look at competitors yet. Look at the human problem behind the market. Ask, what frustrates consumers today? What are they trying to achieve? What do they currently settle for? What do they secretly want but can't find? What emotion drives their behavior? You can find answers fast by scanning TikTok comments, Reddit, Threads, App Store reviews, Amazon reviews, Google. People also ask Facebook groups. Example, analyzing the snack market. People don't say, I want snacks. They say, I want something fast. I want something guilt-free. I want something that doesn't make me feel bloated. I want flavor without feeling unhealthy. In 5 minutes, you can uncover the real need. This is the foundation of great marketing. Step 3, map the competitors in 3 layers. This is where beginners get overwhelmed. They gather too much data. But here's a simple method called the 3-layer competitor scan. Layer 1, direct competitors. They sell the same thing as you. Examples, other energy drinks, other moisturizers, other fitness apps. Layer 2, indirect competitors. They solve the same problem in a different way. Energy drink competitor, coffee, vitamin C packets, protein bars, skincare competitor, sunscreen, diet, water intake, fitness app competitor, gyms, YouTube workout videos. Layer 3, psychological competitors. The real killer, consumer behavior that replaces your product without buying anything. Examples, I skip breakfast. I just deal with stress. I don't track anything. I use a free workout. I don't care about moisturizing. This is the powerful insight most marketers miss. Your biggest competitor is often doing nothing. Spend 8 minutes mapping these 3 layers. This alone will make you think like a strategist. Step 4, analyze demand with 5 quick signals. Here's the fastest way to understand demand. Look for signals, not perfect data. Signal 1, search volume use Google Trends or Keyword Planner. Search energy drink, healthy snacks, skincare routine, etc. Trend up means growing. Trend down means shrinking. Takes 1 minute. Signal 2, social buzz search. TikTok, reviews, hauls, unboxing, problem, hack. Look for viral pain points and desires. Takes 2 minutes. Signal 3, category growth, check. Statista, industry magazines, news articles. Skim headlines like market expected to grow by, top categories in 2024. Takes 2 minutes. Signal 4, pricing and positioning patterns. Scan 10 competitor websites. Ask, Are prices increasing? Are premium brands growing? Are budget options dominating? Pricing tells you the story of demand. Signal 5, reviews and complaints. Go to Amazon reviews, App Store reviews, Shopee reviews. Look for these phrases. I wish it had. I love this, but I stopped buying because... These comments are marketing gold. If you analyze all 5 signals, you will understand the market faster than 90% of beginners. Step 5. Identify the gap where you can win. You've got a market definition, a consumer need, a competitor map, and demand signals. Now ask the most important question. Where is the gap no one is solving well? There are 4 types of market gaps. Gap 1, emotional gap. People want to feel something they're not getting. Example, skincare that feels luxurious but affordable. Gap 2, functional gap. Something is missing in performance. Example, a drink that gives energy without the crash. Gap 3, convenience gap. Consumers want things faster or simpler. Example, a fitness app with 5-minute routines. Gap 4, price-value gap. Competitors are too expensive for what they offer. Example, a premium-looking product at mid-price. Identify 1 or 2 gaps, not 10. Because great brands win by being sharp, not wide. So the next time someone asks, can you analyze this market? You don't need a 50-page report. You don't need a research agency. You don't need weeks. You just need a framework. Because great marketers don't guess the market. They read it, decode it, understand it, and move faster than everyone else. If you found this helpful, follow Ryan Consulting for real-world marketing frameworks that schools never teach and companies desperately need.